Tip number 3 is sound. You don't need a lapel mic or a professional microphone to capture your audio. If you've got them, great, but if you don't, just make sure that your phone or your camera is positioned close enough to you to capture clean audio. The other thing you need to do is make sure that your environment is controlled so there's no outside sounds coming in and ruining your shot. So if you are shooting outside, you want to stay really close to the camera to ensure that your audio gets picked up really nicely by the microphone. Because if you're too far back, you're going to have to yell and it's not going to be very natural. Plus other things like wind and traffic are going to play havoc with the sound. Kia ora, it's Scott here from the Content Club, and this is just one part of our Getting You Ready for Video series that we've just made. There's 5 more videos right here for you to check out, and if you got some value out of this or you liked it, please give it a share and make sure you're following along to the Content Club on Facebook and Instagram for more videos just like this. Cheers.